Learn to read with ABCetc, Learning Made Easy. The alphabet sounds. In this module, you will revise the 26 alphabet sounds. Use the alphabet arc to recite the letters sequence, names, and the sound of the alphabet. Learn the vowel letters sound. Learn CVC words such as cap, bed, pig, dog, bus. The alphabet names and sounds. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, N, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, T, T, U, H, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. The alphabet arc. Let's form an alphabet arc using the lowercase letters. Place A at the beginning. A. Place Z at the end. Z, Z. Place letters M and N at the middle. M, N, N. Now arrange the rest of the alphabet letters in an arc shape and call out the letters B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, T, U, H, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y. Vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels have two sounds each, but do not sound the same. One is short and the other one says its name. Short vowels sound. A, E, I, E, O, U, H. Sound. To make the R sound, you open your mouth wide, keep your tongue low, and puff out air from your mouth. So make A, ant. The air sound. Spread your lips lightly. Let air flow out of your mouth to make E, egg. Short I sound. You open your mouth a little and then push out a puff of air to make I, E. Ink. The short O sound. You open your mouth a little. Let air flow out of your mouth to make O, orange. The short U sound. You open your mouth a little. Let air flow out of your mouth to make U, H, umbrella. Long vowel says its name. A, E, I, O, U. The long A sound says its name. Open your mouth with lips spread out. Keep your tongue in the middle of your mouth to make A, apron. The long E sound says its name. Spread your lips like you are smiling and let air come out of your mouth to make E, eagle. The long I sound says its name. Open your mouth and let air flow out. Then spread your lips to make I, iron. The long O sound says its name. Stick out your lips, making them rounded. Keep your mouth open a little. Let air flow out of your mouth to make O, ocean. The long U sound says its name. Round your lips and stick them out. Let the air flow out of your mouth as you make U, uniform. A, apron. A, ant. E, eagle. E, egg. I, iron. I, E, ink. O, ocean. O, orange. U, uniform. U, umbrella. Now that we know our letters and the sounds they make, we are ready to decode words. CVC words. A CVC word is a word that is made up of a consonant, vowel, and consonant sound. You are now ready to learn to decode and blend sounds in CVC words, such as cap, bed, pig, dog, bus. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will revise the 26 alphabet sounds. Revise the short vowels sounds. Revise the long vowels sounds. Learn to blend sounds to make CVC words. Learn to read with ABC ETC, Learning Made Easy.